completely out of my comfort zone. I'm going to sing Feeling Good by Michael Bublé.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean. Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when the day is done, that's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world and a whole world for me. You know how I feel. Stand up and high. You know how I feel. Freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Well done, John. What a start. Zoe, what do you think of his performance?
First of all, I want to congratulate you on stepping out your comfort zone, because that's not an easy thing to do. You took a risk and it worked well in your favour. It was a good song choice and it showed us something like a completely different side of your voice than what we heard in the audition. I absolutely love the lower part of your range. It's so stunning and smooth. I can listen to it all day. It's beautiful. And your vibrato as well. It's so controlled. You do that so well. And you handle the key change really well as well, which was really good. And there was already a massive improvement in your stage presence just from that one audition. So imagine what you can do as the week goes on. Do you know what I mean? It was a really good second performance. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I think Zoe's pretty much covered everything I wrote down. That's all right. Yeah, I thought it was amazing that you stepped out of your comfort zone, and considering that you did that, you seemed really, really comfortable with that song, and it really, really worked for your voice. You do have this really smooth voice that you just sort of like, it just grips you. You're very sort of captivating from the second that you open your mouth. And that vibrato I absolutely love. It really had like a Rat Pack sort of vibe, and I was really, really feeling it, and I just thought that was great. Great song choice, great performance, well done.
Joe, it was a fantastic start, and compared to what you did in your audition, I can see what you mean by, for you, this was a little bit of a risk because you was coming out of your comfort zone a bit more. That's exactly what you need to be doing, especially in a process like this. Don't be frightened of those risks, because those risks are going to help you learn new things you can do with your voice. One thing I want to give you on this performance in particular, because you sang that really, really well then, but it was almost like you was very gentle with the song in places that didn't need to be gentle. You got to go wild with something like that, you know. Don't be frightened to let go a little bit more with your voice, and don't kind of limit it in a way you wouldn't usually control, like a song if you sang in a choir. You know, like you said, this is very different for you because you were so used to singing with no system, no mic, just you and your voice, a cappella in a church or something, you know, so this is very different already for you. But all these little things are going to help you improve in different things you can do and different skills you've got. So the only thing, because even though this was fab, and I'm so happy that you went for this choice, and it really was, I wanted to know that, I still wanted to learn something from this. So keep taking those risks, but vocally, don't be frightened to let your voice go a little bit more, especially when you get something like that with so much guts and sass. You want to go wild. Throw the mic, you know, don't really throw the mic, but it's that sort of drama, you know, vocally. Let that huskiness and that fight come through, because it's all there. I can feel it, that is all there. So, yeah, when you're taking on songs like that, don't be frightened to really let it out, like. All right?
Okay.
Well done, buddy.
Thank you.
Round of applause, thanks for Joe.